Dry your sweating. At home today. Chilling at home today. At home today. Let me mime. I need to mime, man. I need to mime. So is it? Mining stuff. Good morning, guys. It's like today I'm gonna be home throughout, so just home today with my family and am I gonna start over again? Okay. This mining of it. This is it mining or what? What is the meaning of this? I'm doing it, but I don't understand. I don't know whether this thing is real or is fake. But just imagine you wake up, just be tapping on your phone. Guys, you want to see how I'm tapping? As some people say, is 11, is it 11 years Russian boy? So you imagine I'll just wake up and just be tapping on my phone. If anybody understands this tapping of a thing, you just let me know. My boy is sleeping. My boy is sleeping. Sleep so that daddy will go and tap. So I want to tap. See if I can get something from tapping. Good morning, guys. How are we doing today? Hope you're good. So in case you can see, I'm tapping. Tap the screen. Tap the screen. I don't know about, is this thing real or is it fake? I said I was not going to do it, but because so many people said it's real, so I said let me try it. How can you just wake up and just be tapping your phone like it's crazy, man. Funny enough, I don't like all those kind of airdrop stuff because sometimes it gives me stress. But yeah, just say let me do it. You know, so I'm tapping the screen, tapping the screen, tapping the screen, tapping. Guys, welcome to my what? Jesus. Crazy. So, where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Good morning to you. Where are you watching me from? Do you know anything about this tapping? Please, if you know, just let me know. Tell me more about this tapping of a thing, because me, I don't know it. I'm just doing it. Today, I stay home with my family. So now, let me see. How are you guys? Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and not like just a normal live streaming video at home. Saturday morning. It's Saturday morning here, so I don't know what's the time and where you're watching me from, but here in Nigeria is morning time, about 9 a.m. in the morning, and so far so good. It's been a lovely morning. My boy is still sleeping and the mother is resting too. It's only the father that is up. It's only the father that is up. But the mom and the child, they're all having their good time. But me, I'm here. I am here. So, yes, how is your weekend going? Thank God it's Saturday. Where are you streaming from? Where are you joining us from? Let us know and say hi to you. I hope you're good. Thank you for always coming to watch my videos. But I really need to do one or two. So, what do you understand about this tapping of a thing? I try, man, I try so hard. Man, I try so hard. I don't want to stress my brain. It's early in the morning. Just enjoy the Saturday. Funny enough, there's no light. Everywhere is dark. There's no light, so my baby boy is just there sleeping. And I'm always happy when I wake up and then look at my boy. Sometimes he looks at me and then smiles. This one was supposed to send me my money. She did not send me the money. Sometimes when you want to do with people good, they'll just take you to be an idiot. Because money that you were supposed to send to me today, she did not send anything. I would try staying at home for 24 hours and see how that feels. Maybe I would have just set my camera and just write 24 hours at home. How does it feel to stay at home for 24 hours without going out? It's been a long time I've done that, like staying indoors for 24 hours. I think let me go outside. I know my boy too will not wake up also. Hello. Bikash, how are you? Bikash, how you doing? I'm gonna go to the backyard. To the backyard. Yeah, I'm outside. Look at that bed. Can you see it? Yeah. What is it? Look at the bed. Oh, just flew away. So, if you come to my backyard, I have some vegetables at my backyard. So, I planted a lot of them. I think I should just point at them one by one. If you look, this is curry. Yeah, this is curry. And this is like grains, like vegetable. We call it alefu. I think this is watermelon. I think this one's watermelon. And this is water leaf. Look at it. That's water leaf. And this too is water leaf. That's water leaf too. That one too is water leaf. Yeah. This is aloe vera. That's aloe vera. And you see, this is a bitter leaf. This is bitter leaf. This is bitter leaf. Bitter leaf. Bitter leaf. And this is okra. This is okra. Look at it. That's okra. This is what do you call it? Scent leaf. That's scent leaf. So I have a lot of veggies at my backyard, and sometimes because things are cheap in the are kind of expensive in the market, so at times it's good for you to plant those little things at your backyard. So for me, it's when you need it. Imagine I want to eat bitter leaf. I'll just come, plug it, and then it. What you see there, there's moringa tree. That's moringa tree. So it's good to have some veggies at the back of your yard. It's very important. So if you don't have or you've not planted, I think you should plant and then enjoy yourself. I think I'm feeling sleepy. Though. I think I'm feeling sleepy. I think I am feeling sleepy. Maybe when I sleep, I'll come back and do a proper live streaming. And by that time, my baby will be up because he's still sleeping. Can you do that? Okay, here. Who has to? Fresh bananas. If you're hungry, come and have some. Have fresh bananas. I'm in the kitchen, so have fresh bananas, fresh mango, fresh one. So if you need some, come and have some. And I have so many things. Like the man of God said, I have a Bido Shaker. I have Citadel. The boy is still sleeping. This is not straight. Why are you not straight? I'll have to end this live.